Okay, dear student, we discussed day 7, part 1. We already discussed how we can find LCM and SCF, when we can find LCM and SCF, and now we discuss relation between LCM and SCF. Clear? It is very important topic. Relation between LCM and HCF. Suppose this relation only for two numbers. It is very clear because in some book there are three numbers, but it is only true satisfied for two natural number or two positive integer. Clear? Then suppose if you have A and B, two positive integer, A and B, two positive integer and natural number, both are the A and B are two positive integer. Then relation between their LCM and SCF is equal to LCM of A and B into HCF of A and B is equal to product of A and B. Product of A and B. It means LCM of AB into HCF of AB is equal to A into B. Here you see there are four different articles. Clear? One is the LCM of AB, SCF of AB, A and B. Clear? In this four, only three argument and one is the unknown. Clear? By this way you can find any one which can ask in the question. Sometimes it is a question. Suppose a question is 404 and 96. It is a question from 2018 in CBSE exam. If this question is come in the 3 marks, clear? Then what you can do? You can find LCM of 404 and 96 with the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, and then after you can find HCF of 404 and 96 with the Euclid division lemma, and then after you justify this relation. We justify this relation. Clear? Then we got 3 marks. This question asked in 3 marks. Then see, first of all we can find the LCM of 404 and 96 with the help of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Means 404 and 96 are written in their prime factors. Then first of all you want to, then for this you can do it on rough. It is 404 divided, it is 202. Here, then after it is 101, and 101 is a prime number. Then 404 are written 2 into 2 into 101. Clear? Then after 96, 48, 24, 12, 6, 3, 48, 24, 12, 3, and it is 1. Then 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 2 the 32, 3 the 96. Then it will be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, or it will be written 2 to the power 2 into 101, and in the same 2 to the power 5 and 3. If you want to find their LCM, then LCM is highest power up to is 2 to the power 5. Clear? And then after 101 and 3. Clear? Then 2 to the power 2 5 means 32, and 32 3 ja 96. 96 into 101, then see it is 96 1 ja 96, and here 0, then 9, again 96. Then LCM is the 96 96. Clear? Then after we can find the HCF. Here you can find the HCF with the help of Euclid division algorithm. Then see 404 and 96. HCF of 404 and 96. See, if you want to apply it on the Euclid division algorithm, then first of all on the rough sheet you can do the find the HCF with the division method. See how you can find the HCF with the division method. HCF of division, everyone I think know better. Then first of all 96 as a divisor and 404 as the dividend. Clear? Then this comes, see, if you want to divide, then 9 4 ja 36. Clear? Then it comes in 4 times. 4 6 ja 24, and 4 9 ja 36, or 2 38. Then it will be 0, and there is 2 20. Clear? Then 404 is written 96 into 4 plus 20. In this step you see remainder is R. Then after here you can put 96 as a dividend, then 20 as a divisor, and 24 ja 80. See, here 16 as a remainder, then you put here 16. Then after new dividend is 20, then 16 into 1, see, 4 plus 4 as a remainder. Then after our new dividend is 16. 4 into 4 and plus 0. Here 4 4 ja 16, it is 0. Then in this step you got here remainder is the 0. That's why this 4 is, it is in the form A is equal to B Q plus R. If R is equal to 0, then A is equal to BQ plus 0. In this case B is the HCF, that's why HCF is 4. See, in the examination it is asked find the HCF, then you can follow the Euclid division algorithm only, not for that. Clear? Then after you verify your result. What is the mean of verification? Here you can put verification. Here in the verification you can write LCM into HCF is equal to product of two number. It must be clear, it is only to verify for two number. Then LCM is the 96 into 4 and here 404 into 96. Clear? If you can multiply it, then 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 4 9 are 36 or 2, 38, 4 6 are 24 or 3, 27, 4 9 are 36 or 2, 38. In the same, it will be also multiply, then 38, 7, 8, 4 also. Then here you can write both the answer, means LCM into HCF is equal to product of number are same. Then here you can write verified. The question asked in the board examination 2018 in the 3 marks. If you can solve it, then up to here you got 1 marks. Here we got 1 marks, and on this verification you got the 1 mark. Then completely it is the 3 marks question. Then after okay, thank you. We discuss in the next section. Okay.